Have you ever thought about earning money by sharing your knowledge? Welcome to the world of online tutoring, a realm where your wisdom is currency. It's not only a great way to generate income, but it also offers unparalleled flexibility and convenience. Imagine teaching from your living room, on your own schedule, and to students across the globe. It sounds appealing, right? The good news is, it's not just a dream. In this video, we will guide you on how to become an online tutor. Before diving into the process, it's important to grasp what online tutoring entails. At its core, online tutoring is the practice of teaching in an online, virtual, or networked environment. These environments can be as simple as email exchanges or as complex as real-time video conferencing. Online tutors, like their traditional counterparts, have one primary goal: to help learners acquire knowledge. However, the online aspect introduces a new layer of flexibility and accessibility. This means that an online tutor could be assisting a high school student with calculus in the morning, teaching Spanish to a retiree in the afternoon, and guiding an entrepreneur on business strategies in the evening. All of this could be done from the comfort of one's home, a coffee shop, or anywhere with a stable internet connection. Online tutors offer a wide range of services, often tailored to the needs of their learners. This can include one-on-one tutoring sessions, group sessions, homework assistance, test preparation, and even career guidance. They utilize various online tools and platforms to deliver these services, such as video conferencing software, educational apps, and digital whiteboards. The role of an online tutor goes beyond merely conveying information. They also need to create a conducive learning environment, keep learners engaged, and evaluate their progress. This requires a certain level of technical prowess, adaptability to different learning styles, and above all, a passion for teaching. In essence, online tutoring is an innovative approach to education that leverages technology to bridge geographical barriers and cater to diverse learning needs. It's a dynamic field that's constantly evolving, providing endless opportunities for both tutors and learners alike. With a clear understanding of what online tutoring is, we can now delve into the process. First things first, identify your area of expertise. This is the cornerstone of your online tutoring venture. It's not about what's trendy or what's most lucrative, it's about what you know and love. Your passion will shine through and attract students who are eager to learn. Whether you're a whiz at calculus, a maestro on the guitar, or a connoisseur of ancient history, there's a market for your knowledge. You may be surprised to find just how many people are interested in what you have to offer. However, it's not enough to simply know your subject. You must also be able to teach it effectively. This is where pedagogical skills come into play. Brush up on teaching techniques, find ways to explain complex concepts clearly, and learn how to keep your students engaged. Your expertise is not just your knowledge, it's also your ability to share that knowledge in a way that resonates with your students. Remember, your expertise is your selling point. Now that you know what you'll teach, it's time to set up your online presence. Venturing into the realm of online tutoring means embracing the digital landscape, and the cornerstone of this landscape is your online profile. This is your digital storefront, your virtual business card, and most importantly, your first impression to potential students. So where do you begin? Start by signing up on various online tutoring platforms. There are numerous platforms out there, each with its unique features and target audience. Whether you prefer a platform that caters to academic tutoring, language instruction, or creative tutoring, the choice is yours. Once you've signed up, it's time to create a professional profile. Much like a resume, your profile should highlight your qualifications, experiences, and areas of expertise. Your aim is to convince potential students that you are the right person to guide them in their learning journey. Firstly, let's talk about your bio. This is your chance to showcase your personality, teaching style, and passion for your subject matter. Be concise yet descriptive. Remember, you're not just listing your qualifications, you're telling a story, your story. Next, your professional photo. It should be a clear, high-quality image of you, preferably with a neutral background. This isn't the place for holiday snaps or selfies. Your photo should say, "I'm a professional and I take my role as a tutor seriously." Your profile is also the perfect place to showcase any credentials or certifications relevant to your area of expertise. If you have a degree in the subject you're teaching, mention it. If you've done any specialized training or courses, include those as well. Lastly, consider including testimonials or reviews from past students, if you have them. These act as social proof and can significantly enhance your credibility. Remember, your online presence is more than just a profile on a website. It's an extension of who you are as a teacher and a professional. It's your opportunity to show potential students that you're not just knowledgeable in your subject, but also passionate, reliable, and approachable. Your online presence is your first impression. Make it count. With your profile set, the next step is marketing your services. Now that you've established your online presence, it's time to make some noise. How do you do that? Through marketing. Marketing isn't just about selling, it's about communicating the value you bring to the table. It's about making your services known to those who need them. Let's explore a few strategies. Firstly, social media marketing. In today's digital age, social media platforms are a hotspot for potential students. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, you name it. These platforms allow you to reach a broad audience and engage with them directly. Create a business page, share relevant content, interact with your followers, and don't shy away from showcasing your expertise. Paid advertisements can also help you reach a wider audience. Remember, consistency is key. Next up, content marketing. This involves creating and sharing educational content that is relevant to your services. Blog posts, ebooks, webinars, podcasts, infographics, the opportunities are endless. The goal is to provide value to your audience, establish yourself as an expert in your field, and subtly promote your services. This strategy not only attracts potential students, but also builds trust and credibility. Lastly, the good old word-of-mouth referrals. Despite the advancement in technology, word-of-mouth marketing still holds a powerful impact. Happy students are likely to recommend you to their peers. Encourage this by providing exceptional service and perhaps offering a referral program. Remember, a satisfied student is your best marketing tool. These strategies aren't mutually exclusive. Combine them for a holistic approach. Tailor your marketing efforts to your target audience's preferences and behavior. Experiment, analyze, and adjust. To sum up, marketing is a crucial step in your online tutoring journey. It's how you make your services known, how you attract potential students, and how you grow your business. It's not a one-time effort, but a continuous process. So don't be afraid to get creative and try new things. Effective marketing is key to attracting students. Finally, it's time to deliver quality lessons. As an online tutor, your role extends beyond merely imparting knowledge. It's about fostering an environment that encourages learning and growth. So how do you deliver quality lessons that resonate with students? First, invest time in lesson planning. A well-structured and comprehensive lesson plan not only gives you a clear roadmap, but also boosts your students' understanding and retention of the material. It's the blueprint of your teaching journey, so make it count. Next, patience is key. Understand that every student is unique with different learning styles and paces. Some may grasp concepts quickly, while others may need a bit more time. It's your job to cater to these differing needs, and that requires a hefty dose of patience. Finally, never stop honing your tutoring skills. The world of education is dynamic, with new teaching strategies and technologies emerging regularly. Stay up to date with these developments. Attend webinars, read educational blogs, or even take up additional training. This not only helps you deliver better lessons, but also showcases your commitment to professional growth. In conclusion, quality lessons are the product of thoughtful planning, patience, and continuous improvement. They are your ticket to build lasting relationships with your students, fostering their academic success, and ultimately boosting your online tutoring career. Remember, your success as an online tutor depends on the value you provide to your students. So, there you have it. A step-by-step guide to becoming an online tutor. We've navigated the landscape of online tutoring together, from understanding the basics to identifying your area of expertise. We've also delved into setting up your online presence, a crucial step in your journey to becoming a successful online tutor. And of course, we've talked about marketing your services to the world, showcasing your unique skills and talents. Next, we explored the art of delivering quality lessons, ensuring your students receive the best education possible. Remember, your success as an online tutor hinges on the value you provide to your students. The potential of online tutoring as a source of income is vast. It not only allows you to share your knowledge with others, but also enables you to earn from the comfort of your own home. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, happy tutoring.